In this section, we are going to look at the structure for the task 1. The structure is made up of 3 parts. The first is the introductory sentence, the second is the body, and the third is the overview. Let's look at the introductory sentence first. In this part, you should say what the graph or the diagram shows. If there is a time period, you need to include the time period, and it should only be 1 sentence long. The second part is the body. In the body, you will need to put all of the detail from the graph or the diagram. You will also make some comparisons between the different data. You will also put the figures into the body. The last part is the overview. You should begin this with the words overall or in general. In the overview, you summarize or highlight the most important information from the graph. You can also put the overview after the introductory sentence.